We're out here in San Jose, Evergreen Valley area, doing a SoftWash roof cleaning with a heavy accumulation of yellow mustard algae, mold, lichen, and moss. By now, if you have seen our other videos, you know that pressure washing the roof will avoid any warranty on your roof, and furthermore it will cause tremendous amount of damage. So as you can see, the process is just treating the roof with the minimum of 40 psi pressure. Again, objective here is to eliminate these harmful elements that they are eating away your roof. And this process lasts anywhere from like 3 to 5 years and even longer, depending on the area, depending on if there's a lot of trees, etc. And if your roof has mustard algae, mold, lichen, etc., give us a call, 408-693-5140.